Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts. And today I'm going to do a diamond art card project. This is how they come. I got mine from Temu and this is how they come. I'm sorry for the glare. And this is how it ends up, looking like this. So if you'd like to know how you can make yours a card for a special someone, please stay with me now and I will show you how step by step how you can make yours. So I have been enjoying doing some of this diamond art work, and so I ordered from Temu a little set of cards. And they're very similar, but they're all a little bit different. And there's 6 in this package, and they all come with an envelope as well. And in the little kit that comes are all the little gems that we need to work on our little card. And the cards are all numbered or lettered with ABCs or 1, 2, 3s, and so are all of the little gems that go on them. They have the number that corresponds. And as well as that, it comes with a little tray to put your gems in. And this is the little sticky stuff that you put the end of your little poker deal with. And it will get some of this pink stuff on it. And then it's easier to pick up the little gems once you have it and you're ready to stick it on your card. So I'm just going to choose the Merry Christmas card, one that says Merry Christmas on it. It's blank inside, so you can write your own message. And then the back side also has Merry Christmas on this as well. They all come with a little sheet that's kind of stuck on top of the card. And that's because this is already sticky. So we want to keep that on as we work across, I think. So let's get started. So you'll see that this says 01 on there. So that means that that's number 1. And on the card, it's probably too small for you to see perhaps, but it starts with a whole bunch of number 1s all along in here and throughout. So I'm going to start with that. So this is what it's looking like so far. So you just take your little tool that they send you and you poke it in the pink, and then you can see maybe that the end is pink, and then you have to make sure that your little jewels are sitting the right side up, and then just grab one you can see on the end, and then this is for the number 1, so you have to find your number 1 on your card, or your number that you're working with on your card. And then I just put it on the top of the house there. Not sure if you can see that. And anyway, I think these are really cute. So I'm going to continue now and see how it looks as I carry on with my number 1s. So now I've got all along the roof line here and along the pathway there, done. I know the lighting is not good for you to see. There's a glare, but anyhow, so that's the part there that I've got completed so far. This is just such a relaxing craft. So I continued along and I did all of the number 1s. So we've got it around the house and over here on the tree. You can see the little diamond colors there. So now, in order to save these, the rest of these, and what's left in my little container here, a while back I had purchased a container like this from our Dollarama store. Now they have got little containers inside of them, and I have been storing, because I've been working with the diamond art for a little while now, I've been storing the extra colors in these little containers, and I've been putting what letter they correspond to onto my little container, just with a black marker. So I'm going to put the rest of my little silver ones, and I'm going to write down the number that's on here on my container. So I'll know that when I go back to doing my cards, the rest of my cards, that I will have the right little diamonds for that project. So now the number 2s on my little card. I know it's hard for you to see, but it's going to be along the tree there. And so my number 2 that I've got from my package, they're of a green color. So I'm going to continue with that now, and we're going to see how pretty that looks. Just look how pretty this card is turning out. I've got the green on now. That was the number 2. So now I'm just going to continue with the 3, 4, and 5, and I'll come back when I get those finished. So I now have all of the small little diamond dots on, and isn't this pretty? So now on the card there are some bigger dots, and they're lettered with the letters A, B, C, D. So the package here has got some of these bigger dots. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the bigger dots on where they say A, B, and so on, and up in here, this is a D. So all of this is going to be just so pretty. So did that not turn out to be the nicest card? And I think if you've got someone special in your life that you would like to give a special card to, this is a great way to give them one. And then you can write your own message inside, and the back also has the Merry Christmas with a little wreath on it. So once again, I got these from Temu, so I hope that you'll give this a try. So I hope I have inspired you to want to maybe try to do one of these projects. Doesn't have to be a card. It can also be like a project. I have done a few, but I do think that if you've got someone special that you want to give a nice card to, that you have put a little thought into, this is a nice idea. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. And do comment, I always love hearing and reading your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye now.